When your David Brown gearbox requires repair, trust Hard Chrome Solution as your reliable partner. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, we specialize in restoring its performance and reliability. Hard Chrome Solution takes pride in offering state-of-the-art gearbox repair services, ensuring optimal power transmission and efficiency. Our highly trained technicians meticulously disassemble, inspect, and diagnose any issues within your gearbox, utilizing cutting-edge technology and precision tools for accurate assessments. Once the problem is identified, our skilled team utilizes their expertise to perform the necessary repairs, addressing various challenges like worn gears and damaged shafts. Minimizing downtime is our priority, which is why we maintain a comprehensive inventory of genuine David Brown gearbox parts, enabling quick turnaround times and efficient repairs. Our commitment to quality extends beyond the repair process. We conduct rigorous testing and quality checks, ensuring your gearbox is restored to factory specifications, providing enhanced performance and an extended lifespan. With Hard Chrome Solution, you can have peace of mind knowing our repairs come with a warranty, offering reliability and confidence in the longevity of your gearbox. Choose the experts at Hard Chrome Solution for David Brown gearbox repairs. Contact us today to discuss your specific repair needs and regain peak performance. Hard Chrome Solution, your trusted partner for reliable David Brown gearbox repairs. With our experienced staff of over 100 years, we prioritize your call and aim to provide same-day assistance. We ensure that your David Brown gearbox runs smoothly and operates with precision, minimizing noise and vibration for a comfortable work environment. Hard Chrome Solution offers comprehensive support, dedicated to maximizing your productivity and minimizing downtime. Our work is backed by a 24 to 36-month labor and parts guarantee from the day of installation. Contact Hard Chrome Solution today. Don't compromise on quality. Trust Hard Chrome Solution for all your gearbox repair needs. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you for watching.